Well, Em, here we are at Easton Walled Gardens in this lovely old greenhouse.
Beautiful, isn't it?
These old pipes that probably at some stage used to keep the greenhouse warm.
Yeah.
Whether it still does, we don't know. And we're looking at care of tomatoes, aren't we?
We are.
And you've got
nice healthy ones here.
They're all looking lovely and green, aren't they? And looking very healthy. But as you can see with this one, it's coming away from the plant, from the cane a little bit. So we just need to tie it in. And obviously, as it grows, you have to keep doing this.
This is, of course, the cordon varieties. I mean, you can get the bush varieties, which you just let them do thing and don't have to
do that at all.
Or tie them in. And it's quite interesting, actually, while Tony's doing that, they've actually got these little cards attached to some of the canes. And at the bottom, we've got a little hole here, a little piece of, I don't know quite what it is really, but on here we've got little eggs. And these hatch out, and it's the little predator that will control whitefly. So that's quite good. So it's a sort of natural biological control that will help control pests in the greenhouse.
You've got these marigolds here as well, which serves a similar purpose.
Exactly, they've planted marigolds that again allegedly deter whitefly.
Yeah.
Also, it's interesting to point, we've got some peppers here as well, and aubergines as well planted. But coming back to the tomatoes, the cordon varieties that tend to grow up a cane, they have little side shoots that will form, and these you want to take off. And literally, it's just a case of pinching them out with your finger and thumb, like so. Obviously, remove them when they're really small like that, but sometimes you do let them go, don't you, and you forget and you find a larger one. But
you always find them.
You do, don't you? You think you've done a really good job of removing them. But it doesn't matter if they're quite tall, you can still come out. But obviously, leave the flower trusses alone. And of course, on this plant, we've got a flower truss, the first flower truss just forming. So this is a good opportunity, a good timing to start applying some tomato feed.
Yeah. And there's plenty of that around, any of the garden centres and hardware stores.
Yeah.
Lots, usually in a big red bottle. You can get Tomerite, for example, and others.
And it's a high potash feed, which really encourages the flowers and encourages the fruiting. So it's good to start applying that. Not necessarily every watering, but every 2 or 3 waterings, isn't it? Put some feed in, and you'll get a lot more crops from the plant.